Hello, are you thinking about having your first website design or redesign your current website? Well, you are on the right gig. My name is Ansai. I'm a professional freelancer, Fiverr top reseller, working on Fiverr since 2015. I have designed more than 1,000 websites on Fiverr for my client to help different startups and small businesses. I can design your mobile responsive website with easy to use admin panel, social media integrations, and mobile responsiveness, and most importantly you will get SEO friendly pages on your website, and also you will get unlimited revisions with any of my package on Fiverr. I can also provide you free maintenance after the delivery of order, or I can be your maintenance guy for long term. I have experienced teams sitting beside me to handle my workload and always deliver the project on time. I can also help you with domain and hosting, finding a good licensed images, and also I will provide you free video tutorials after the delivery of order. With the help of video tutorials, you can easily manage your website and you can edit anything on your website. Don't wait, start your order right now only on Fiverr.com.
Check the video description for the link to hire Zane.